That's cool. 4 inches. That's done really nicely. Not being rude. Okay. Hate to do that, but I'm sorry. All right, let's listen for it. See where it's at. Upstairs, I heard it.
Oh, you did?
Yep. All right, so the master GFCI reset for the bathrooms is probably upstairs. We'll find out in a minute. All right, PEX piping with PVC drains. Cool. 115 water temp.
So Josh was a little concerned of what's going on with the wall behind that
Oh,
sink.
okay. So I was actually I was gonna give a note. I see it's a
The wallpaper?
I didn't notice it was wallpaper. I told him it was wood, but no, it's wallpaper.
It's wallpaper, just not completed or peeled off.
So it is. They didn't
aesthetics.
finish. Yeah, they didn't finish the corner on that toilet seat around the toilet, and then right there. So I just now noticed it. But yeah, right there, and then here. So it's wallpapering. He asked, and so the job just didn't get finished.
Okay.
Little drywall damage here.
So I saw.
That's
yeah.
aesthetics. That's from this door here. Okay.
Okay, so that can be easily a stopper, right?
Well,
a
the
stopper
stopper's
needs.
broken.
Oh, the stop. Okay, gotcha. A stopper is missing in a little patch. But you know what I do is put those little round things on the wall.
Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah. Usually on a home, I really wouldn't get in too far into that, just because. But it is a newer home. That it's basically we're doing a new home inspection on this thing. I would definitely recommend. You get the self-closing hinge on this. Okay. We have 2 self-closing hinges on this. And they're working really, really well, you can tell.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here's my electrical panel. All right, we'll get to that in a minute. Nice, an epoxy floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the one that had the. Oh,
What is that little thing on the bottom?
oh, this is for your door. Okay. And the way the doors are shaped in the bottom.
Uh-huh.
It stops the Z flashing from going all the way out. It just gives you a seal on the bottom.
Okay.
20-minute door, you have to have them in the garage.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, but all the switches work. That's a 24 by 24 filter, and please do not put furniture in front of it.
Oh, a little bubble?
It's floating, but it's a floating floor. This is wood vinyl planking. The reason why they did this piece here, because you can only run this stuff 25 feet at a time. So that's the break. So
Okay.
it's a floating floor. It's gonna float. This works. Annual maintenance on these. Okay. Gas-fired furnace, or gas-fired fireplace. If it starts sooting, definitely call somebody. Oh, that's on the remote control, by the way, sorry. Office. Okay, sorry.
Go ahead. All right, so
Now, just so we know, like, don't move furniture or anything like that, okay? So it's turned off, secured at the panel, we leave it off.
so the transition here, is it easy to put a transition? I mean, I don't know why they would do that.
It looks like, let's just see. Okay.
So they got the house with carpeted, and then they did it themselves, kind of flooring.
Yep. Well, I guess I know what kind of flooring you have now. They're gonna call this hardwood, I guess.
Uh huh.
But you can see what's house floating?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can put a transition here. I don't know why they just didn't, when they put the carpet in, they didn't put a transition in, but
It needs another piece to go.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you need a threshold right here,
Right.
and that'd be all you need, or a transition, whatever works. We'll just call that unfinished carpet into the office.
Okay.
The bad news is that will unravel.
What
The carpet.
the carpet? Yeah.
Cat 5 cable. I actually had to explain a phone line to somebody again yesterday.
Oh,
I know.
he was young.
Yep. I must say, minimal on the outlets. Usually there's one in the middle here, in the corner.
Okay.
We'll check heat when we're done. Can't run the air conditioning today. It's below 65 degrees outside. All right, you got this. That's just for your future reference. Those are for extra lights or whatever.
I'm sorry, what were those?
Oh, see your covers here? Those are made for pot lights or extra fixtures if you want to put them in. Okay.
Is it? Or I was thinking it used to be surround sound, but that's too many for surround sound.
Too much for surround. It's either lighting or it could be, you know, it's too small for speakers, but it's definitely a wiring cover.
Okay.
For what? Don't know. Usually it's for fixtures. See all these.
Oh, for them to
can
do the
lighting?
recessed lighting
Yeah.
kind of thing.
Usually. I must see any can. Usually when I put the can lighting in, they run to Jesus and back, and they
Okay.
can stop there. I don't know.
It makes
Those
sense.
Are, yeah, but those are electrical covers. Okay, let's go upstairs. Nice continuous handrail. All right, just so you know, there is no polyurethane. It's very, very typical for a new home here. They didn't put any polyurethane over the top of the stain, okay?
Okay.
And if they did, they used that wipe on satin. They didn't put enough on it. Look how dull it is. Ooh, it's dropped downstairs. I'm so happy.
Oh, you can tell. All right.
Okay. All right. There's my
Is that the one that tripped, or?
Smart Sense turn off. I have Brown Smart Sense. Brown's a ceiling fan manufacturer. Hands on. What I'm looking for is anti-scalding valve. This house has one. All the homes here. These outlets are all off. That's good.